So Shandesh and Mimi are still celebrating their anniversary in Cape Town. And it seems like they're having a lot of fun, bro. Seems like they're having a lot of fun. Uyamkhumbula Donald Marathi, the love I know I deserve. Bekakhuluma ngale thando leli. Bekakhuluma ngale love le. Yabo le love le, laba nje boyithu bayayideserve le love nje abayikhombana yona. Le love nje abakhombanayo, le love ebalavana ngayo le, nami ngize ngiyahalela mfethu, yazi basingile mara bafethu. Bona bajabule kanjani mfethu? Yo, baze kwabuhlungu. Kodwa hayi asikho lapho-ke manje sikhuluma ngalama love birds lapho. Namanje base Cape Town, they having a great time. Yabona nje kumnandi, yonke into right nje. Kunama video vele ngiwabone ku TikTok mfethu, yonke into inhle mfethu, ba happy. Uthando lwaze lamnandi mfethu, uthando majida, uthando bafethu. Mina shame ngiyahalela, mina ngifuna ucama amanga, ndiyabawela jo. Ndiyabawela jo. Yo. So yeah, siyazi ukuthi i-anniversary yabo nge-14 October. Yabo beyinge-14 zika-October. So kubonakala ngathi vele they'll be celebrating their anniversary nje the whole of October, because namanje still angazi maybe bebase Cape Town for the weekend, angazi. Kodwa nje mina into engijabulelayo engijabulisayo ukuthi they are celebrating their love. Into ebaluleke kakhulu to celebrate izinto ezifana nalezi. So yeah man, bengifuna ukuwazisa ukuthi ama-love birds wethu, they are still in Cape Town, abakabuyi. My Zulu is kinda shaky ne. Yeah, kodwa nje abakabuyi eLimpopo or eJozi, base Cape Town manje, celebrating, having a good time, bonding, having some quality time, taking a break from music nama-performance angapheli, ama-bookings, ama-gigs nje, yabona nje leyo mpilo ebusy. Yeah, cause yazi uShandesh usebenza kanzima nje. Boyithu basebenza kanzima cause bamuva boyithu vele. So yazi nje attend ama-gig angapheli nje, uhlezi ukhathele. So vele lesikhathi vele Shandesh isikhathi sakhe sokuthi aphinde aphumule, abe right nje yebo. Cause iDecember ifikile manje, usazoba busy kakhulu. Ngisho ukuthi fully booked nje manje, ama-event nje kusazokhalwa, kusazoshisa. So yeah. Hi man, she deserves this break. So maba celebrate, babe grand. Yeah.
You've made it to the end of the video, and if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, as I'll be dropping more Likompo updates here. Pila, I'll be dropping everything that has to do with Likompo on this channel, so please make sure you subscribe so you can get that notification, when I upload. Yes, bye bye. Ube righty, over sharpu, ube grandi, ube nosuku elihle elifana nawe. Bye bye, ngiyakuthanda.